Our final award of the morning is the Frank and Lillian Gilbreth Industrial Engineering Award, sponsored by the William Michael Barnes 64 Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at Texas A&M University. The Frank and Lillian Gilbreth Award is the highest and most esteemed honor bestowed by IISE. It recognizes those who have distinguished themselves through contributions to the welfare of humankind in the field of industrial and systems engineering. The contributions are of the highest caliber and recognized nationally or internationally. We are honored to present this award this year to Kim Lascola-Needy. Kim is a distinguished leader in engineering education and service. She serves as Dean of the College of Engineering at the University of Arkansas, where she also holds the prestigious Irma F and Raymond F. Giffels Endowed Chair and is a professor of industrial engineering. A proud alumna of the University of Pittsburgh and Wichita State University, Kim has devoted her career to advancing the field through academic leadership, research, and mentorship. She has held key positions at both the University of Pittsburgh and the University of Arkansas, including serving as department head and previously Dean of the Graduate School and International Education. A fellow and past president of IISE, she received the Albert G. Holzman Distinguished Educator Award and the Wellington Award, both in 2019. Kim, it's an honor to welcome you to the stage to make a few remarks.
Thank you, everyone, and hello to many, many friends that are out there. I want to begin with a hearty congratulations to all this year's award winners, that we recognize the best and brightest industry leaders, faculty, and students for their contributions to education, research, leadership, management, mentoring, and service to this great profession. I humbly stand here before you as the recipient of the Frank and Lillian Gilbreth Industrial Engineering Award, which was first awarded in 1962. There's a couple of things that stand out about that to me. First of all, I was born in 1962. That's a long time ago. And second, unlike many of the awards of this type, the first recipient of this award was a woman, Lillian Gilbreth, and together with her husband, Frank, who received this honor posthumously. This award hasn't been given every single year, but it's been given 51 times. I'm the 51st recipient. I'm the fourth woman to receive this award. I'm the third recipient with strong ties to the University of Pittsburgh, and the second recipient with strong ties to the University of Arkansas. As I reflect on the past award recipients, quite frankly, I'm standing here in awe, being named amongst them. These men and women are synonymous with industrial and systems engineering, and I've actually had the privilege of knowing many of them from the past 30 years and actually calling some of them my mentors, colleagues, and friends. There's an African proverb that's befitting for today. It reads, "If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together." My story, perhaps like many of yours, is about going together and benefiting from the expertise, love, and support of others. Put simply, I have had such great fortune. I've had the fortune of family, being born into a loving family with parents who always believed in me, encouraged me, gave me everything I needed, and many of the things beyond that. So I want to thank my parents, John and Claire. I've also enjoyed a very strong extended family and witnessed how adversity did not hold them back, but made them stronger. I've had the great fortune of teachers who inspired me and encouraged me to study engineering. I've had the great fortune of the University of Pittsburgh and a first-year program that steered me away from chemical engineering to industrial engineering. Gaining a best friend, Karen Bursick. Meeting a friend and mentor, Pat Kelly Lee, who said, "You need to get involved with this organization called AAIE." A trip to Kalamazoo, Michigan to attend a regional conference in the back of a family station wagon with 4 curious young women and faculty advisor, Harvey Wolf. A random encounter with another faculty member, Larry Schumann, who told me, "You should go to graduate school." And my dear sister, Kathy, who followed in my footsteps, studying industrial engineering at Pitt. I've had the great fortune of working for 2 Fortune 500 companies, PPG Industries, who gave me my first job, allowing me to start paying back those student loans and paying for me to earn a master's degree at Pitt, and sending me to Oak Creek, Wisconsin for training that resulted in a chance meeting with Bill Needy, who would later become my husband of nearly 39 years. And I want to also thank Boeing for paying for my PhD at Wichita State University and awarding me a PhD fellow, allowing me to complete the final 6 months of my PhD full-time. I've had the great fortune of Wichita State University and a PhD advisor, Don Malzahn, who, when I questioned whether I was smart enough, strong enough to finish my PhD, he said, "Turn around and look down the mountain to see how far I had come. You see, the summit was closer than I realized." I've had the great fortune of the University of Pittsburgh again, and my mentor, Harvey Wolf, who took a big chance on me and helped me move from industry to academia. And for the many, many colleagues, staff members, graduate students, and undergraduate students who I've had the privilege to work with. I've been blessed with 2 amazing sons, James, who's here with me today, and Thomas, who's on his way to Japan as we speak, who have made me experience love on a level I could never imagine. Although neither of them became industrial engineers, they both earned degrees in biomedical engineering from the University of Arkansas and are going on to do great things. I've had the great fortune of the wonderful faculty and staff and students and alumni at the University of Arkansas. I'm especially grateful to Russ Meller and Heather Nachman, who wouldn't take no for an answer, but insisted I look on a leadership opportunity at Arkansas. My family, who said, "Let's go on an adventure to Arkansas." Leaders who provided me with more opportunities than I could ever imagine, such as the opportunity to collaborate with Ken Case and be guided by Chancellor Emeritus John White, who sat on my right side at departmental meetings, coaching me quietly and making me a stronger leader. And the opportunity to serve under 2 friends and great department chairs, Ed Pohl and Chase Rainwater. I've had the great fortune of IISE, which taught me how to live, how to lead, how to give, and how to help make a difference. My volunteer roles with IISE helped me to advance into leadership roles in my career and also make me a better leader. I'm grateful to the past presidents with whom I've worked during my tenure as president, including Roman Lukowski, Don Taylor, Doug Robinick, Dennis Oates, and Jim Moore. And 2 amazing IISE leaders, Don Green and Donna Calvert. And to the many, many volunteers who are with us here today. I've had the great fortune of the industrial and systems engineering profession that forever changes how we think, how we examine problems, how we solve problems, and continually asks us why and why not. To my colleagues who have become my dearest friends, I am forever indebted to you. And together, I hope that each and every one of us will show the world how great it is to be an industrial and systems engineer. Thank you so much.